Okay, time for our Dr. Pepper barbecue chicken pizza. We gotta make a marinade for our chicken. So what we're gonna do is make an apple honey marinade. So we've got a cup of apple cider. I've added a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of mustard powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a couple tablespoons of honey, and then look around for my whisk, and then just whisk this up. And then you want to pour this in a bag, squeeze all the air out of the bag that you can, and you want to marinate this at least 90 minutes before cooking. All right, next step. Okay, time to cook our chicken. Basically, you want to get a nice sear on this and then lower the heat. So on our cast iron griddle, we're going to start our chicken off. Then we're going to give it a minute, flip it, another minute, and then turn down the heat and cook until 160. Give it a minute to rest, and then chop it up. Chop it up into little bite-sized cube pieces. You'll see here in a minute. Okay, with the oven preheated to 500 degrees, it's time to make our pizza. I did get a little bit lazy, and I bought some pre-made dough at my grocery store. Sue me. And time to start by adding a layer of chicken. Stretch the dough out to your desired thing. And then we're going to pop on some mozzarella and cheddar. I made a nice little mix, about 50-50. And then we're going to pop this in the oven, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes because we still have some other ingredients to add, and we don't want that. They cook at a different temp. So we just want to get the cheese melted. I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan just to create a nice little crust on the edge. And as you can see, 5 minutes have gone by. And it's time to add the red onion slices. Like I said, you kind of want to par cook it and then finish it off in the oven. And followed by our Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. And then you want to pop this back in for roughly about 5-10 minutes, just until the crust is golden brown. You know what to do. And will you look at that? That is ready to eat. So start carving it up into slices, and it's ready to serve. So that is a Dr. Pepper barbecue chicken pizza, or whatever the hell I called it. All right, only one last thing to do. Done.